everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. We are starting with this beautiful petunia. Can you see the red hearts on the edges there? This is called Amore Queen of Hearts. It's a petunia. Grow this in part sun to full sun for best results. You can grow petunias in part shade. They'll still do okay, but you'll get more blooms in more sun. This color pattern is so unique, and the Amore series has honestly that best definition of a heart in the edges there. The Queen of Hearts has the brightest, most contrasting color. So this is the one we carry in this series. And these petunias will spread up to 2 feet wide. We have our petunias sectioned on tables that they spread up to 2 feet or more than 2 feet. So you can kind of get an idea of what is more wavy and what is more compact. So everything on this table that this one's from are really good to mix with grasses and with vines and mix and match with other kinds of petunias. The really large petunias kind of take over and swallow up some of those other plants or vines you might want to add. So yeah, maybe add this to your list. We have a bunch in stock. And they're just really, really pretty. They look really good from a distance. See? You could see it. Our second item for today's top 5 is a begonia. This is Belleconia in a pink or soft rose color. And it is so pretty. These are trailing begonias. Look at that. So they make these really, really long spikes of flowers. And these are huge flowers. They are gigantic and so pretty with more of a spiky leaf than the rosette type. If you put 3 to 4 of these in a 12-inch hanging basket, you would have a very full basket. Make sure they have some afternoon shade. They would get a sunburn if they are left in the hot sun between noon and 5. They need shade for that time. So beautiful. We have lots of these in store, as well as more colors in the Belleconia series. Our third item for today's top 5 is one of our favorite types of marigolds. This is a Taishan yellow, and it's an African marigold. African marigolds have the really big, giant flowers, and these are nice and compact. They grow between 10 and 12 inches tall. Really good for borders, really good to mix into medium to large size planters. Even in a small planter, this could be your centerpiece. What's great about the marigolds is once they start blooming, like they have started now, they will make more buds and bloom for you all summer. To get the most blooms out of your marigolds, pinch it out when it's completed, when it's completely done flowering. And yeah, you'll just have a more abundance of blooms the whole summer. These grow best in part sun all the way to full sun. But if they have a little bit more shade, they'll be okay. If all you have is part shade, give it a try. You might not get as many blooms as if it's in more sun, but it will still perform really well. I love the smell of marigolds. They're Scotch. Hi, Scotch. He's always near me. So cute. I love the smell of the marigolds, and they actually work really good to keep deer out of your garden. It's not foolproof, but it is a deterrent. Our fourth item for today's top 5 is this really moody looking Oxalis. It's called Charmed Wine, and this is from Proven Winners. You can see the name here on the pot. And it actually closes up at night or in deep shade. It's really cloudy today, so it didn't fully open. Grow this in, honestly, shade all the way to full sun. It has performed very, very well for us. It is going to make a beautiful big mushroom cap. You could grow it indoors year-round or outside in the summertime. Just such beautiful color, and it kind of matches our wall. I really love it. The Oxalis is super nice. It's also a shamrock. Yeah, great color. Now, our last item for today's top 5 is my absolute favorite mint. I think we grow like between 7 and 10 types of mint we usually have on hand at one time. This, I wish you could smell it through the screen. This is basil mint. It actually smells like basil. So good. So good. Like all mint, easy to grow. You could put one in a 10-inch pot. It will take over the entire thing. Very, very hardy. For cool temperatures, it's fine. For heat, it's fine, but they do drink a lot of water. So if you can grow it in part sun, it will be easier to keep up to the watering because they're heavy water drinkers. If you have it in full sun, put it in a deeper pot and you can water more in a deeper pot. If you're mixing herbs together, mint is super aggressive. So keep the mint with other mint. It will overtake things like lavender or actual basil. Things like that have a weaker root system and it will just like bulldoze them and annihilate them. So keep the mint in a singular pot or with other mint. You could mix it with something like petunias. You could put mint in your petunia planter because mint and petunias are both very vigorous growers and can kind of hold their own in a container, mixed container. So yeah, my favorite mint, and honestly, I just love the smell of it. It smells so good. So thanks for watching today's top 5 plants, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.